Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out this video today. And I am introducing the Instant Cash Solution business opportunity. Folks, this is a really great program. It is very simple, very easy to do, and the potential to make some really great income is with this program. Now, like this program, I had gotten involved in one program, and they had some software to help people to easily market online, but people were having difficulty, setting up the software, and so I had to spend time on the phone, helping people, and I'm not very technical myself. And so, I said, well, that might be a little bit difficult for some people. So I wanted something that was very simple so that really anybody could do. And nobody would need to get on the phone with anybody and help people get anything set up, because this is truly a done for you system. Okay. And so the potential here again is very real. I don't want to forget this. As you can see up top, it says become your own CEO. If you've been looking to become your own CEO, be your own boss, make some money, make some really great money, then this is an opportunity that you really should take a look at. Okay. Now, if you have about 20 to 30 minutes per day at the minimum, then you can post some ads on social media, on your Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Pinterest, and some of the other social media sites. Okay, if you have those, then you can post on them, and the potential is for $300 plus per day. Very real with this system. Okay, so I wanted to share something really with you real quick, and then I'm going to close this video out. Okay, here I am at one of the it's a part of the back office. Okay, and it says here, if you can join with me in looking at this, it says this program has been created to help people with no prior marketing experience achieve success. You don't need any special computer skills. Okay, you don't need any selling skills. Heck, you don't even have to talk to anyone to make money with the Instant Cash Solution. And that's what I wanted. I love helping people out, but if I find out that there's a program it's really difficult for people, then I want to move past that program and do something that is very simple for people, because that's where people can make money. Okay, and this is that program. This program is so well done. It is put together like a well-oiled machine. All right. Okay. I can go on. All right. It says simply post your ads consistently, daily preferably, and drive your prospects to your ICS replicated website or your ICS capture page. Let the system do all the telling, selling, and explaining. Suffice it to say, ICS is very newbie friendly. Okay, and that's what I really love about this system. Okay, now let's go here. It says every effort has been made by our team to provide our members with everything they need to build a successful and profitable ICS business. Our team is comprised of experienced professional online marketers. We know how to make money online, and we know what it takes to succeed. So, take our heartfelt advice and follow the blueprint for success that we are providing. We would say good luck, but luck has nothing to do with the success you can achieve with ICS. You simply have to do the work, and you will be on your way to earning money with this program. Get started today. Better yet, get started now. Absolutely. Now look at this, and then we're going to close out. Your future success awaits you. Don't keep it waiting. And I love this quote here. Don't start living tomorrow because tomorrow never arrives. Start working on your dreams and ambitions. When? Today. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to leave my link, okay, where you can connect with me. Now, I want you to connect with me. I want you to connect with me to check out this vital information. Okay. Powerful, vital, exciting information. And I'm also going to be sharing some information with you should you decide to, join my newsletter. Okay. Then I'm going to be, sending some motivational stuff out to you. I'm going to send you some tips on building your business. So all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to leave that link in the description area of this video. And you're going to get instant access to the information about this amazing business opportunity. Okay. I think I've said enough right now. I'm going to close out right now, and I'm going to wish you a very, very blessed and wonderful day today. All right. Bye-bye now.